So as promised, I'm here with my first ever tutorial, Zara Larson Stateside Makeup, जिसका सबसे पहला step है lenses. Just notice the curvature. This is how you place the lens. But I normally do this. Now, oh my god, am I emotional? Probably. So yes, this is how you place the lens. So I've got my primer and sunscreen placed on my face. अब मेरे लिए important क्या है? अपनी dark circles को conceal करना. I'll be using this palette. You just have to figure out the right shade for your skin. For me, peach works really fine, so I'll prefer peach. पूरा आई सॉकेट पे मैं इसको लाइट करूँगी बिकॉज अब जो मेकअप फॉलो करेगा उसमें देर विल बी डिफरेंट शेड्स. सो उन डिफरेंट शेड्स को दिखाने के लिए आइज़ के ऊपर यू हैव टू मेक दिस surface very evenly toned or white. This concealer, I'm making sunglasses out of it. Trust the process. With this brush, I'll be blending it all. The motion has to be upward. We need something to be lighter than this. I'm going with the white eyeshadow. You can see how visibly white my eyeshadow is. Choose the craziest colors, and then go with it. I prefer going with yellow. Now towards my eyebrow with a flat brush, I'll be making a line. This. I hope it's visible. Apply as much as you can. Very good. Now after yellow, I would go for something orange in shade. Take some of it and make a line right above the crease. Like this. Now we'll follow up with a very beautiful pink. This pink. My major wish is to cover my eyelid completely with the pink. Are you getting the vision? I'm sure you are. Do you want to add blue to it? Let's go with it. This is my first time doing this makeup, by the way. I'm not sure how it's gonna look. Let's go. Doesn't look bad actually. I'm going with a lighter shade which has a bit of gloss in it and I'll fill it up. I have given it a lot of smudge in the end because मुझे पता है कि मैं इसको Q-tip से साफ करने वाली हूँ. Go crazy with your makeup. I'm telling you, that's how you discover a new style of makeup itself. Now somehow the blue has already gone. अब बताओ मैं क्या करूँगी. I'll add a blue, but on the underline. Imperfections है ना, blend करेंगे. Now I'm choosing the lightest shade in pink to blend it. Blending is always the key. Now it's pigmented, like properly pigmented. I'll recommend you using a white kajal. Go on the underline like this. We'll go with the eyeliner. This is my most favorite sketch liner. Sketch liner से गलतियाँ कभी भी होती है तो वो artistic लगती है. Draw a dot here and pull it like this. This is my preferred wing. I like it a bit thick and elevated, and in the front I like to make that little beak. Now for the cleanup. I've got my Q-tip, micellar water. जहाँ से तुम्हें लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा निकल रहा है ना उसे क्लीन कर दो. इसके बाद go with the concealer, again the same shade, and pull it upwards. Put some glitter in the front of your eye makeup. The orange glitter towards the orange wala part. The best thing about this makeup is no amount of glitter can be enough. So ये तुम्हारा basic ready है. Lash curling, mascara. So up I'm gonna put on makeup, the base. I like peach blush a lot, and here the blush has to be very loud. अब मैंने खूब सारा ब्लश तो लगा दिया है, बट उसके आइकॉनिक मेकअप में यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा हाईलाइट है, तो मैं कंसीलर पुट करके एज यूजुअल आई हैव माई किट हियर इसको ब्लेंड करूँगी लाइक दिस टुवर्ड्स आउटसाइड. लिप शेड के लिए आई हैव दिस होल पैलेट. आई विल गो विद दिस कलर. नाउ दिस I'm going to place it wherever I like. You also be creative with this and do whatever you want. ऐसे करके a little flower with this. This is how the final makeup looks. If you liked it, you can do the needful